Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to back up and restore the registry in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to select the file and select export and select the location you want to save the backup registry. I'm gonna save in desktop. Type backup and after typing it click on save and save the file. We have saved the file guys. Now as you can see we have backed up the registry. Now I show you guys how to restore the registry. Select the file and select import. You just need to navigate the location we saved the registry backup and select the file and select open. And now we have successfully restored the registry, and that's how you back up and restore the registry in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.